you guys? It's your boy Jake on YouTube, and we're playing with Diarrhea 2. No, I'm kidding. We're playing with Kenny here, and so he's gonna be playing the streets with us. So yeah, let's get it. Mama, can you stop laughing? That's very creepy. Oh well, I already reset it. So no, French fries. I swear, don't mess with me, boy. I got a pipe. Boy, yeah, you better run. No. Actually, I'm finishing the dude. Get over here. Oh shoot, they got a knife.
They lost my other phone.
It's like the knife is much more stronger than the pipe because it takes more damage. Join the pipe?
Join me!
Oh, okay. Well, guy, yeah, but for the joint. Oh.
Well. Join is best.
Quit out.
I already know what that does. Alright, guys, so we're with Ken. Why are you just blocking that girl? No. My brother's coming. Oh, we should make this one game. Momo's coming! Run! Go hide!
See you, Caleb!
Please stop yelling, bro.
Ow!
Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. I'm gonna just sneak in somebody's house and see what they're doing. I hope they're not ODing.
I remember when I used to do that.
I used to do a whole role play on this game. Like, really? I used to do a whole role play. Somebody's on the balcony. Let's see what they're doing. Oh my god, trying to flex. It's Jake Paul. Hi, Jake Paul.
I got some Robux now, bruh.
You really don't.
Then look, why I got white tea in front of Caleb?
Because you put it on the clothes? Yeah. That's when you know you're lying. See, I'm doing it right now.
That's why I'm on your face, Caleb.
Alright, let's see what they got here. Oh yeah, some wax stuff. Just really?
She said I'm a stupid lifeguard.
How are you a stupid lifeguard?
I'm not even a lifeguard, first of all.
Cause she's a life fart.
Well, I quit the game.
Good.
I'm changing my hair. I'm gonna be bald now. With a new hair.
Alright, let's see. Bro, all of these clothes and stuff are so whack. I didn't even buy it. What do you mean? They're free.
You don't have Roblox?
I do have Roblox. Oh. Alright, I just changed my clothes to these whack clothes where they
These white clothes?
No, these whack clothes. I didn't say white.
I'm not a stupid and I do have you don't.
I just really hope that the people can hear you, because if they can't, it's gonna be real bad.
Oh, I'm about to go to
Alright, I'm right here. So come on. You see these white clothes that they have in this game? This is fake Supreme and Louis.
I quit the game.
Oh my god. You're so stupid. Alright, bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on some music and no, get it. Let's get it.
My phone is to die. My phone.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jake. Get out the camera. Anyways, so, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's not the end. What you mean, boy? I thought it was the end. I still gotta call Candy. But we're finna, put on some music, good vibes. So yeah. Here we play. Hey. Yeah. Oh. Okay, this is lag. Oh no. Yeah. Hey. Low 14. Yeah. Whoa, saucy. Hey. Lucky on it, you know we taught the pause. 6 9, you know we taught the pause. To the pole, to the pole, to the pole. Top down, we gon' let that let it go, let it blow, let it blow. Got the scope, got the scope, got the scope. Scope to the thirds that I put up to your nose. Let it go, let that go. Yeah, it's the stuff that got your tongue. We boy, we're open up at your home. We're home alone, home alone, home alone. Get your come on, yeah. Brother now got a side, turn bus along. Yeah, Latina, to the pole, to the pole, to the pole. Let it go, let it go, let it go. I'm doing big shit, get your rings hit, fuck it, we'll miss, get your rings hit. Those brothers got the big shit. Those brothers got the first to the wet dream, got the same chance in the wet. That's a wet dream. And it's trying to test me, just like trying to test me. If it's trying to test me, I'm awful. Got a hole in his head, he a dolphin. And the rock in the sun, they don't want it. To the road, to the face, to the rolling. To the face, to the face, to the rolling. Skunking, tree off it, you don't want it. Up behind it, you know we told the pose. The 6 9, but you know we told the pose. To the pole, to the pole, to the pole. Top down, we gon' let that let it go, let it blow, let it blow.
I'm sorry,
Got the
I look
scope, got the
ugly
scope,
though.
got the scope. 2 3s, and I put that to your nose. Let it go, we let that go. So yeah, still got pause. Anyways, so that was a good song. I know. Kind of pause. We're gonna go down the slide.
Shut
It's gonna be
that.
lit.
Oh, you wanna make a song?
Yeah.
You wanna make a song on
No.
Roblox?
Nobody wants to. Alright, come on. You slide in. Woohoo!
Then a shake,
Oh,
then a
yeah.
shake, then another shake.
So cool. This is like, nobody like even played this game like in a while. Like, it's 2018. Nobody still plays this game. Well, some guys.
Yeah,
Who's
even
like,
me. No.
You don't even play it. You just play with me. Yeah, so you don't play it. Duh.
But y'all copying the person
How
too.
we copy
The person
what
too.
person?
Like you know.
I don't.
Don't say
I no.
just
No.
you would know you never
Anyways. Yeah, because. Okay. Anyways. Alright, we got what? I don't keep my hair in there. Please have my hair in there. Please. 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 No. They're so ugly and cringy. At least have the chestnut hair up. Alright. I guess we're just going with this white outfit. White. Please don't be attracted of me. I'm really not with that. I'm a savage. I don't like bacon. I don't like bacon. Well, I like bacon. They're fine. And yeah. Well, we just gotta wait till Caleb comes back. So we're just gonna wait for that. Wait. Yeah. Alright, join up, bro. Because my fans are waiting for you. You're like, shout out to Gang Sounds, bro. Shout out to Gang Sounds. Oh my god, guys! We FaceTime Kitty the Little Prince. Oh my god. Oh my god. No racial, guys. If you're white, no racial. That's really how y'all be acting. Oh, you joined. Alright. Lit. Alright. Gotta find you. because people around you are crazy. You have radios, or people have freaking VIP. I'm like the one girl that said he didn't have Robux. A person, yeah. And I changed my look because I had to, because I accidentally pressed the wrong thing and they didn't have. You see me, right? What's up, dude? Ow. I just knew you were going to do that. Liam Grace. Oh. Oh! I'm going to be like your guy in the background. Oh! Get him. Get her. Get her. I'm just going to. Okay, why does when you look in the back, it doesn't show the city, but when you look in the front, it shows. Hi guys, can I sit with y'all? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Get that dude. It's annoying. Wait, you just did a ow. So you really have to hit me like that? Come on, bro. How is he floating? I can't even jump on you. Nothing. Got it. You know it's how the fall. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. I can't go. KSG. Alright, so what I want to do, let's go troll somebody. Come on, let's go. Even though I don't have any, we're gonna troll somebody. Come on, my video's going to be over. I really want to do something. This video's be age restricted or something like that. Stupid. Alright, if you want to say stupid, you're ugly. You're ugly. Noob. Oh, noob. Oh, noob. Thanks. Fake? Really? Noob. Noob. I'm just gonna keep spamming that. Noob. Chasing the girl? Where are you? Oh, I see you. Oh, no, I don't. Oh, yes, I do. You're hitting that one girl. Alright, I guess Momo joined us too.
I didn't.
Bro, you gotta turn that down. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I know you ain't. Boy, don't make me go on your bacon head. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Shout out to Gang Sounds, Kenny the Little Prince, you know what I'm saying. Subscribe to his channel, it's called Gang Sounds, and yeah. So I'll see y'all later in the next video, and we will see y'all later. Boom, 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 boom.